With OPSeed75, Group Berkem is demonstrating its expertise in plant chemistry applied to crop protection solutions.
Hello Joanna Paris, hello Sarah Berthier. Thank you for answering our questions about OPSeed75. Can you tell us a bit more about your product?
OPSeed75 is a grapeseed extract that can be used for his fungicide allegation.
What disease can it treat?
OPSeed75 is a product that we can use on downy mildew on grapevine.
At which growth stage it should be used?
If you want to respect the EU registration, you have to use it before and after the flowering.
On which concentration, which dosage?
You can use OPSeed75 up to 6 times per year, and each time you can apply up to 294 grams per hectare.
We were talking about vines, but have you ever used on other crops?
So we are actually testing the product on the other crops that are allowed by the registration, so potatoes, lettuce and apple.
Why did you choose this name, OPSeed75?
Well, actually it's a play on word because you have the OPC that are part of the product, and since it's a grape seed extract, we wanted to make it work with OPC, so OPSeed and 75 because there are 75% of OPCs in the product.
Is Group Berkem specialized in crop protection?
Not exactly. Group Berkem was founded in 1964, initially as a pest control factory. We very quickly realized that grapeseed extracts had several very interesting properties, and we made them our hobby horse. So we have the advantage of being well versed in sourcing, industrial processes and plant extraction techniques.
Can your product be used in organic farming?
Yes, absolutely.
So is your product registered on biocontrol list?
Not yet, but because it's a food-grade product, these products have a lower impact on the human health and the environment.
Can your product replace conventional chemicals?
We do not really aim to replace conventional chemicals with OPSeed75. What we do recommend is to mix OPSeed75 with other treatment. For organic farming, what we recommend is to use half the dose of OPSeed75 with half the dose of copper you would normally use. For conventional farming, what we recommend is to use half the dose of OPSeed75 and to mix it with 70 to 90% of the conventional product dose you would normally use.
And so have you ever seen some benefits or some effects when you are mixing your product with conventional or with classical product?
In terms of efficacy, we observe that if we mix the OPSeed at half dose with copper half dose, we have a better efficacy than copper full dose.